Welcome to my channel. So now for the subject UCSP for senior high school students, we're going to talk about the topic about sociology, anthropology, and political science. So the question is, what is sociology, anthropology, and political science? The study of society can be accomplished in three different ways. The first one is by mapping the social forces impinging on social actors as their lives intersect in society. The second one is by rehearsing the structures and components of cultural practices and traditions. And the third one is by exposing the asymmetrical power distributions among members of social communities and organizations. Okay, now let's go first to sociology. So, what is sociology? Sociology is the science that deals with the origins, physical and cultural development, biological characteristics, and social customs and beliefs of humankind. It is also the study of society, patterns of social relationships, social interaction, and culture of everyday life. Okay, so ito, isa sa mga courses na kinukuha namin sa college noon kung saan mas pinag-aaralan namin yung mga tao. Okay, so ngayon tingnan naman natin ang anthropology. So anthropology is the scientific study of humans and human behavior and societies in the past and present. It is also the science that deals with the origins, physical and cultural development, biological characteristics, and social customs and beliefs of humankind. So, kung titignan natin dito, so, sociology is a social science that studies the functionality of human society, including origins, development, and organization. Also attributes inside institutions and organizations, while anthropology is a social science that is concerned with human culture, as well as the physical and social characteristics that create culture. Often compared one group of humans to another or humans compared with animals. So in other words, kung pagsasama-samahin natin ng definition nito, sociology is concentrated on society, while anthropology focuses on culture. Kaya kung mga grupo ng tao ang pag-uusapan natin, we're going to look at sociology. Kaya lang, if we're going to deal more kung ano ang kultura na meron sa society na yon, that is anthropology. Now let's go with political science. A social science which deals with systems of governance and the analysis of political activities, political thoughts, and political behavior. Another definition is a social science dealing with political institutions and with the principles and conduct of government. So anything that deals with politics and governance is political science. Now, anong itsura niya pag pinagsama-sama natin itong tatlong ito? So, pag pinagsama natin ito, if we're going to merge sociology, anthropology, and political science, that is the facets of the social. Wherein, pag pinagsama natin ang sociology and anthropology and political science, nasa gitna yung facets of the social. Sociology and anthropology, pag-uusapan natin dito ang cultural practices. Sociology and political science is the social forces, while anthropology and political science, pag-uusapan naman dito is the power relations. So, in conclusion, social sciences and the three facets of social in society. So, ang social natin is actions and interactions. Cultural is the practices and traditions. And political is the power relations. Okay, thank you very much for listening to my lecture. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again on my next topic.